50,000 Atal tinkering labs will be set up in next 5 years, announces Finance Minister. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced plans to establish 50,000 Atal tinkering labs over the next 5 years to foster scientific thinking amongst youth. During the presentation of the 14th successive budget under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's administration since 2014, she disclosed plans to establish 5 national skilling centers with international expertise. Additionally, the government will initiate the Bharatiya Bhasha Pustak scheme to enable digital access to Indian language books for educational institutions across all levels. She also announced plans for expanding infrastructure at 5 IITs, alongside implementing measures to enhance nutritional support across the country. The Modi government's flagship program, Atal Innovation Mission, AIM, aims to develop and encourage innovation and entrepreneurship throughout the nation. The mission was established under Niti Aayog following the finance minister's announcement in the 2015 budget speech. ATL provides a space where young individuals can transform their ideas into reality through practical, hands-on experience whilst developing innovation skills. iCards, registration on eShram portal for 1 crore gig workers. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced on Saturday that the government will provide identity cards and register 1 crore gig workers on the eShram portal. Presenting the Union Budget 2025-26, she also revealed plans to implement a scheme aimed at the socio-economic upliftment of urban workers. Gig workers on online platforms bring immense dynamism to the new age services economy. Acknowledging their contribution, our government will facilitate their identity cards and registration on the eShram portal, she said. Additionally, gig workers will have access to healthcare under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, PMJ, benefiting nearly 1 crore workers, Sitharaman added. On public education and health. Bharatiya Bhasha Pustak scheme to be implemented to provide digital form Indian language books for school and higher education. Daycare cancer centers to be set up in all district hospitals in next 3 years, 200 centers in FY 2025-26. FDI limit for the insurance sector to be raised from 74% to 100%. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said, the FDI limit for the insurance sector will be raised from 74% to 100%. This enhanced limit will be available for those companies which invest the entire premium in India. FM added, the current guardrails and conditionalities associated with foreign investment will be reviewed and simplified. Tourism sector gets a boost. CRISIL View, India is revamping its tourism sector through a multifaceted approach, aiming to boost its contribution to GDP from 5% now to 9 to 12%, which will be comparable to peer countries. The initiatives include enhancing last-mile connectivity, expanding the UDAN scheme, upgrading tourist destinations, simplifying visa regulations, and improving the overall hygiene quotient. FM on fiscal deficit, net tax receipts. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said, the fiscal deficit is estimated to be 4.4% of the GDP. Speaking on the net tax receipts, FM said, the revised estimate of the total receipts other than borrowings is 31.47 rupees lakh crore, of which the net tax receipts are 25.57 rupees lakh crore.